In this video, I'm going to show you how to put your figure, your Keith Haring figure together. So at this point, you should have two of the same cutouts. Just for time's sake, I just did squares or rectangles. Yours will be your Keith Haring inspired figures. And then there should also be 2-inch strips cut and prepared for you. If there are not enough cut, feel free to ask for these to be cut for you. They can be cut on the large paper cutters. This isn't something you need to cut out. What I would do first with these strips is go ahead and, especially if you're going around like the head of your figure or around a corner, you can mold it along where the cardboard is corrugated so that it has some bend to it. You'll also need some masking tape. The masking tape can be found behind my desk in the cupboard with a little SpongeBob picture on it. There should be plenty of masking tape. So when you are putting your figure together, you're going to be making it a 3D sculpture. What you're going to want to do is start at an end, and it takes a little bit of coordination to put this together. You might have parts where you have to ask a friend to kind of help hold while you're taping. So all I'm doing is securing this 2-inch cardboard onto my final figure, which mine is not a figure, but yours will be. You're going to follow carefully the bends and the curves of your figure, and it might help to rip up a bunch of masking tape to get you started so that you don't have to worry about ripping masking tape as you're going. So as I'm doing this, I'm just going to keep working on one of my pieces of my figure. So now I have my one flat side with my 2-inch strip taped to the other side. Notice how I just used a few pieces of masking tape. You do not need masking tape on the entire thing. So please, masking tape is expensive and it's there for you to use, but please do not be ridiculous with the masking tape. So then I'm going to take the second half of it and make sure it lines up correctly. Some of them might need to be flipped depending on how you cut it out. And then I'm going to start taping this side on to the 2-inch strip. So once again, I'm just using small pieces of masking tape. To tape it on. So when this is all done, you should have a front side, an edge, and a back side, kind of like this figure here. So here would be one flat side of yours, here would be that 2-inch strip, and then here would be the back side.